Frankenstein drug Nitazine. More potent, abusable, addictive, and deadly than fentanyl. Pause images for detailed study. The chemical structure of isonitazine. Several of the nitazine analogs recently detected in the street drug market. Of these agents, isonitazine may be the best-known street nitazine. It is sometimes reported to be more potent than fentanyl. Nitazine, a new dangerous synthetic opioid. Opium poppy, Papaver somniferum. Papaver somniferum plant showing the typical glaucous appearance. Opium poppy flower. Capsule showing white latex opium exuding from incision of a seed head of the Papaver somniferum opium poppy. Dried latex obtained from the opium poppy. Opium is an air-dried, milky, naturally occurring plant exudate derived from unripe Papaver somniferum or Papaver album capsular poppies having analgesic and narcotic effects, also characteristic effects of the synthetic opioid drug fentanyl, which can be highly addictive. An alkaloid is a group of nitrogenous basic plant substances. Principles and derivatives of the opium plant include about 20 alkaloid types referred to as the phenanthrines codeine, morphine, and 3-bane, as well as the benzylisoquinolones noscapine and papaverine, whose specific use is legally regulated. Opioids are derived from the opium plant poppy or synthetically formulated in a laboratory. They block pain signals by means of opium receptor binding on nerve cells in the brain, spinal cord, gastrointestinal tract, as well as other bodily organs. Nitazines consist of a benzimidazole structural group of potent synthetic opioids, productive of corresponding effects, such as pain relief and euphoria. They can be hundreds of times more potent than natural opioids, which can be ingested, inhaled, or injected into the body. Nitazines are often mixed into other illicit synthetic drug formulations, such as fentanyl, heroin, ketamine, and MDMA. Common side effects of nitazine abuse include drowsiness, decreased heart rate, fever, itchy skin, nausea, sweating, and vomiting. The severe long-term effects include psychological addiction, physical dependence, depressed organ function and damage, high tolerance, overdose, opioid dependence, and death. The signs of nitazine overdose include confusion, pinhead-sized pupils, talking and walking difficulties, severe drowsiness, skin and nail discoloration, slow, shallow breathing, as well as loss of consciousness. Naloxone is an opioid receptor antagonist known to be effective in reversing nitazine-involved overdoses. Nitazine withdrawal symptoms include anxiety, body aches, cravings, elevated heart rate and blood pressure, fainting, flu-like symptoms, increased sweating, lightheadedness, panic attack, and restless legs. Nitazines. The N prefix indicates a substituent attachment to a nitrogen atom. Technically known as 2-benzylbenzimidazole opioids, nitazines is a diverse group of synthetic opioids. Examples seen in this country include isonitazine, metonitazine, and pyrrolidino etonitazine, also called etonitazine, protonitazine, and deacethyletonitazine. Even a small amount can be enough to kill, particularly in the presence of various comorbidities, especially without immediate naloxone or medical attention. Medications for opioid overdose, withdrawal, and addiction. Refer to the opioid receptor antagonist text pertinent to naloxone. New presentations coming soon. Like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching. Thank you to current and new subscribers.